Hi everyone, Brian from Hank's Belt, and today I am going to show you the Canyon belt. One of our most refined belts. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous belt. Reason I'm going to show you this is I had about 3 questions this week in support. What is the color Havana? So we make the Canyon belt, we make it in oak, we make it in black, and then we make it in Havana. So the question was, people want to know what color is Havana. So let me start with that. So what is Havana? Havana is beautiful. That's what it is. It is an absolutely gorgeous color. We named it Havana because it has the undertones of like a cigar wrapping. It's a beautiful, deep, rich brown. Has some slight undertones of burgundy, red in it, but it's just a real deep, rich, gorgeous brown color. One of my favorite colors. This belt is made out of English bridle leather, USA tanned. We use the premium stainless steel roller buckle on this. So this is our lower profile. It's all stainless steel. So if any of you have nickel allergy, we get that. People want to know what belts are nickel free. This one is. So this will work if you have a nickel allergy. We do hold it. Again, like all our belts, it's held on with Chicago screws. So it can be swapped off. And it's just a beautiful belt, a solid one piece of leather. You're not going to end up with something like this. This is a junk here. I was showing this belt in the video and I broke it with my bare hands. Garbage, 25 bucks. It just total garbage for the price. This here, as you can see, it's a nice, if I can get in here, sometimes the focus is off a little bit. So it's a nice solid one piece leather. We use a real fine stitching on it. I think this is like 11 to 12 stitches per inch. So it's a super, super fine stitching on it and just an all around just gorgeous piece of leather. And this belt here, you can wear this I wear it all the time. As a matter of fact, I think I have that one on today. If I can see my belly in the way. Yep, I got the black on in it and I wear this with jeans all the time. I wear it with shorts. Wore this to my son's wedding when I had to, put on a sport coat, dress shirt, and tie. This is the belt that I wore. So that was the Havana. So it comes in a nice black, which is what I have on. Can't go wrong with the black. It goes with about anything. Color holds on this, stays, doesn't fade, peel off, just beautiful. And then oak. This is actually our best-selling color. The oak is just a real nice, refined look to it, with a little bit of a contrast in the white stitching. Just sets it off, and just a beautiful piece of leather. Beautiful looking belt. But again, I gotta tell you that Havana is just so rich looking. So if you want a belt a little different, it still goes with a lot of stuff. You can almost, Savannah, the nice thing with this, you can wear it with brown shoes, black shoes. It goes with a multitude of everything. So if you want a really nice step up to a really refined belt that you can wear with everything from jeans to sport coats and slacks, take a look at the Canyon belt. It'll make you a really nice belt. So again, it's Brian from Hank's Belts. Thanks for taking a look at this Canyon belt today, and I'll be talking to you again soon about some of our other belts. Thanks again.